Sir, how an exercise can help an individual to retain oxygen level in the body?
Okay, so you want to understand how an exercise will help an individual to retain oxygen, right?
Yes, sir.
So firstly we will understand question how
An exercise.
exercise will help an individual to retain
Oxygen level.
oxygen,
Oxygen.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So firstly we will understand the blood flow to the lungs, and I will make lungs of an individual who is not exercising, right?
Yes.
So let's make lungs here. So these are the lungs for an individual who is not exercising, and there are 3 lobes in the lungs. Right? This is called upper lobe. This is called
Upper lobe.
upper lobe. Then we have middle lobe. What is this?
Middle lobe.
Right? And then we have lower lobe, or we can say inferior lobe. So this is called lower
Lobe.
lobe. Right? Now let's understand the blood flow. This will become here pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. What it will become?
Pulmonary vein.
Right? And this is
Pulmonary artery.
pulmonary
Artery.
artery. Right?
Yes.
So this will become pulmonary vein, which is carrying oxygen-rich blood into the left heart. Right? And this is pulmonary artery. Right? And let's draw alveoli for gas exchange. Right?
Yes.
Now, the normal individual who is not exercising, his functional lobes are lower lobe and middle lobe. Right? Upper lobe is said to be non-functional. Upper lobe क्या होता है? Non-functional होता है. Why? जो capillaries यहाँ पे है, they are very small and they are not receiving enough blood flow. Right? Example, due to gravity favors, firstly blood flow will go into the lower part and then middle part. Suppose, let's take one tank here, right? And here is one tap. And if you supply the water here. So this is your lower part and here is your middle part, and this is upper lobe, middle lobe and lower lobe, right? If we pour or send water inside this tank, firstly water will go into the lower section, then it will come into the middle section due to gravity favors, right?
Yes.
So whenever there is blood flow, blood will firstly go into the lower part and then middle part. So the person who is not exercising, his upper lobe is non-functional. His upper lobe is what? Non-functional. Upper lobe is non-functional. The capillaries present there are dead capillaries. Beds, capillaries beds are dead spaces. They are non-functional. Right?
Yes.
Is it clear now? The person who is not exercising, his capillary in upper lobe are non-functional. Non-functional due to gravity favors blood flow into the lower part. But this individual, if start exercising, अगर ये बंदा एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करेगा तो क्या होगा? कार्डियक आउटपुट विल चेंज. सो व्हाट इज नॉर्मल कार्डियक आउटपुट? कार्डियक नॉर्मल कितना रहता है? 5 लीटर्स पर मिनट. क्या रहता है?
5 liters per minute.
5 liters per minute, right? मतलब तुम्हारे this is your left atrium, blood will go into the left ventricle, right? And then systemic artery, then meta arteries, then capillaries, then we will get venules, right?
Yes, sir.
And then superior vena cava and
Inferior
vena cava will bring blood into the right atrium, then right ventricle, and then this pulmonary artery will give the blood to the lungs for oxygenation, gas exchange. So this part we have drawn here, right? So if normal person's cardiac output who is not exercising is 5 liters per minute, and if he starts exercising, this cardiac output will change 6 times. It will become 30 liters. It will become
30 liters per minute.
30 liters per minute. It will behave like 30 liters. The blood flow will be so fast that cardiac output will change to the 30 liters per minute, right? And ये forceful blood flow जो है, this forceful blood flow will open up these dead capillaries, right?
Yes.
This changed cardiac output, increased cardiac output will supply the blood flow to the upper lobe also, right? And once blood flow will come into the upper lobe, there will be nice gas exchange, and this non-functional upper lobe will be functional, and that exercising person can retain more oxygen, right? And this will help even the patients who are asthmatic, जिन लोगों को अस्थमा है, उनको सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है, दे आर ऑन इनहेलर्स लाइक कंट्रोलर इनहेलर, रेस्क्यू इनहेलर्स। अगर वो लोग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं एंड एज अ पर्सनल ट्रेनर तुम उनको प्रोग्रेसिव एक्सरसाइज देते हो, तो अब तक तो इन दो लोग पे थे, राइट? जैसे एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट किया, दे हैव ओपनड अप अपर लोब, सो उनका ब्रीदिंग पैटर्न इज चेंज, गैस एक्सचेंज इज इम्प्रूव्ड, right?
Yes.
Now they are going to get more oxygen, right?
Yes.
और अब now उनका इनहेलर का जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो भी कम हो जाएगा। Is that clear?
Yes.
So first benefit तुमको समझ में आया? Cardiac output will change. Second, the pre-sphincters. These are called pre-capillary sphincters. They are very tight in resting people who are not exercising. उनके जो pre-capillary sphincters रहते हैं, they are tight. And once they start exercising, they are loosen up. They are allowing more blood flow into the capillaries. So, what is second benefit? Pre-capillary sphincters are functional. Clear है? So, exercise का दूसरा benefit समझ में आया?
Yes.
If these pre-capillary sphincters are functional, there will be enough or more blood flow into all these lobes, and ventilation perfusion ratio will be uniform, right?
Yes.
One more benefit, suppose इस गैस एक्सचेंज के लिए जो कैपिलरी यूज हो रही है वो 3 मिलीमीटर है, सपोज, ओके? ये जो कैपिलरी लेंथ है, सपोज ये 3 मिलीमीटर है, कितनी है? 3 मिलीमीटर। सो ओनली 1/3 इज यूज्ड इन रेस्टिंग पीपल। जो बंदे एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे, whoever is not exercising, उनका ओनली 1/3 कैपिलरी length is used for gas exchange. Suppose this is 1 millimeter, this is 1 millimeter, and this is 1 millimeter, right? So those people who are not exercising, उनकी only 1 millimeter capillary is used for gas exchange, right?
Yes.
But the people who are exercising, उनका all these capillary sections will be utilized for the gas exchange, right?
Yes.
So whoever is exercising, उनको क्या benefit मिल रहा है? Firstly, their cardiac output is changed, जिसकी वजह से upper lobe is functional, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा? Oxygen and gas exchange will be better, right? Then pre-capillary sphincters functional, जो capillary की pre-sphincters है, जो tight रहते हैं, they will be open up, so better blood perfusion will be there, right?
Yes.
And what is that? A complete capillary length, a complete capillary length is utilized for the gas exchange, right?
Yes.
So जो भी बंदा exercise करेगा, whoever will exercise, they will have their functional unit which is upper lobe, which is non-functional, ये functional हो जाएगा and better gas exchange will be there, right?
Yes.
Any other questions?
So what about gym shutdown?
What about
Gym shutdown.
gym shutdown? So it's a very sad part, right?
Yes.
But I will say only one thing. Gym shutdown is equal to upper lobe shutdown is equal to
Upper lobe shutdown.
upper lobe shutdown. जिम शटडाउन है एंड अगर individuals who are exercising, if they do not train themselves, उनका upper lobe functional रहेगा क्या? Are they able to maintain their oxygen level? They are not going to maintain their oxygen level. So अगर जिम बंद है, so upper lobe is non-functional, and definitely there will be problem in gas exchange, right? I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir.